want to talk about the uncertainty that people face in business, specifically the uncertainty they face in real estate. All right. And I have made it my goal and mission to eliminate the uncertainty that you may have. How am I going to do that? Well, I'm going to do that through getting you to the next level. All right. So I've opened it up. I see one person in here. Let me see who is that? Can I see who it is? No. All right. So any comments or concerns, I'm going to see if I'll be able to jump in and answer anything that comes up. But what I wanted to talk about is I talked about it earlier the other day about how they're on the radio again. They're in town and they're doing all this. You know, you come to this workshop and we're going to bring you up to speed and everything. Well, for those that don't know, I was a mentor for many, many years with Rich Dad Education. My wife and I went through a real estate education company, became successful students, and I like giving back. I like serving, and I decided to become a trainer with, at that time, it was Russell Whitney Wealth Intelligence Network, which became Rich Dad Education. And as a mentor, I would come to people's houses, anywhere USA. I've been in every major and minor market except Hawaii and Alaska. I would go there and I would help the students set up their real estate training business. All right. And what would happen is sometimes these students have been through a wholesale training class. They've been through a lease option training class. They've been through a rehab training class, and they have done nothing because they are afraid. They are uncertain of the outcome that they have or that may come up. All right. And they wait on the mentor to get there. And hopefully they want the mentor to work magic. Well, it doesn't work like that, right? You have to put in some work so that I can help you in the areas that you're lacking and accelerate the areas that you're excelling in. But 2020, I want to have everyone have clear vision when it comes to their real estate business. What does that mean? We're going to eliminate uncertainty. All right. And that where uncertainty involves an imperfect or unknown information, it applies to a prediction of future events, right? Now, the prediction of future events, uncertainty. Well, people are uncertain because they take this class in the, in a hotel ballroom or in an office area, a conference room, and everything is good. Everything is good in that environment because it's a protected classroom. Right? The uncertainty comes when they get out there in their own backyard. They don't know what to do, even though they have a template or a blueprint that will lead them to success. All right. So it became so annoying. I mentored so many people and they were still afraid. And I actually stepped away from that part of the business or that part of my business, mentoring and developing people out there in the field with Rich Dad Education, because I took it too personal. Right? These people are spending $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 and not doing what they are instructed to do. So I had to step away. All right. So that brings us here. So I want to create an environment of certainty. I want to eliminate the uncertainty, and with 2020 clear vision, give you 100% certainty. And what certainty is right there. That is moving a certain way, moving where a fact is definitely true or an event is definitely going to take place. That last part there, an event is definitely going to take place. How can I ensure the students that come to my real estate training have a certain level of certainty? How can I ensure that the event that's going to take place is that they're going to be real estate investors? How? Well, the only way I think about it is we work together. I developed the power team of contractors that are reliable, dependable, can show quality work. I developed the power team of everyone, realtors, plumbers, electricians, the entire package. We put it together. Lenders, right? Most people are uncertain how to go about getting a loan. Well, I've been doing that for many years. I used to be a hard money lender before all the hedge funds came into the market, right? So I'm putting together the full package so that you can move from uncertainty to certainty when it comes to your real estate business, and that will lead you to success. Now, real estate for some people is just a stepping stone to something else, right? It just allows you to pay off some bills, maybe get free from your job, go part-time, your spouse, maybe they can quit and do something else. But real estate is can be just a tool to get you to the next step in your life, next phase, so that you can really do what you want and serve and help. All right. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I am focused on getting you focused. Those of you that want to be real estate investors, because not everybody wants to be involved in real estate. Those of you that are ready, stand by.